All right, so now the moment you've all have been waiting for. I'm going to put this head to head. So I have a 5-inch palm sander. It's nothing crazy. I mean, obviously, if I was putting this up against a air compressor DA, I might do a little bit better. But we're going to use a 5-inch palm sander versus the Hercules. So starting off with the 5-inch, I'm using 120 grit. I didn't have 40 grit for the hand sander, so I just figured 120 was more than enough for this test. Now, in all, from start to finish, this took me roughly about 6.5 or 7 minutes to complete, to get a nice, even kind of like stripe down the center from the palm sander. So after finishing up with the palm sander, I went ahead and just took the tape off to start a new tape line. So this way, when I take off the tape, you can kind of see them a little bit closer to each other. So I kind of overlapped a little bit, but and now for the Hercules. So this actually takes very little time to complete. I basically went from paint all the way down to bare metal with the Hercules in probably about 2.5 or 3 minutes. I would assume that if you probably used a 60 grit or even an 80 grit, this would work a lot faster, especially if you're doing something like stripping a body panel on a car.